Somebody just knows that they want to. I hate it when my phone dies. Somebody wanna put viruses in my computer. Somebody wanna put viruses in my computer all day long, all day long. All they cheat is me. All day long that they cheat is me. Download a virus, download a virus, download a virus and programs. Download a virus, download a virus, download a virus and we crash programs. Download a virus, download a virus, download a virus. You programs. Listen, little, stop telling me. Yo, listen, little, telling me that my brain is not a. You wanna with me, you picture. Wanna with me, I will shoot you in your face. Wanna with me, this is the last time I told you what I gotta be like. Using a word like and think that you're gonna know better. If you gonna saw better, make me upset from using a word like. Yo, 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 and I say what word like. I don't care, my brain computes. If it computes, then it is a computer. If it processes information, then it is a computer. You know, sometimes I say I have a computer in my mind. Sometimes I say I have a computer in my mind. That means to fall the off. That means to fall back. Yo, I hate Fabby. I am a computer because I compute. My brain is a computer because my brain computes. And I'ma kill you until you sense compute. And I don't know why my mind has a virus. I think the virus is in my mind. I don't know why my mind has a virus. If people try to put viruses in my computing brain, yo, 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 I know my mind has a virus. These people tried down virus in my computing brain. You wanna download a virus in my computer, you get killed for that shit. Even know that I'ma kill you, son, and I'ma do it right now, cause you wanna tell me this ain't straight, cause you know, man, my brain is a computer, you don't. And this ain't good, cause you know better. This ain't good, cause you know better. I hate it when my phone dies. All the that Fabby tells me makes me angry. I'm a computer, yo, but I'ma kill you, yo.